Let's go. Salcedo team.
Pumuhan versus Salcedo. 50th division.
Shout out ang mga taga-komite. Mga pahinga patron Giwan.
Number 24, Vars too strong. Number 3, short. Here comes number 14 of Salcedo. Crossover move, kicks it out. Back to number 15. Turnover. He stays. He stays by number 6. And for the football is good.
Quarter.
Number 23. Pass to number 22. Stolen by number 6 of Salcedo. Long pass. Stolen by number 14 of Jimenez. Pass it to the front court. Number 16 using the glass for 2.
Sigwan.
Nice move by number 24. Number 14 of Salcedo. Crossover move. Kicks it out to number 6. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. 5 on the shot clock. Number 11, full up jumper. Rebound number 22. Strong move inside. Vice. There's a nice block by number 6. Pass to number 22. The Bruce jumper. Good.
Nice. Good for 2.
Number 14, pass to number 23, full up jumper. Too strong, battle for the rebound. Last touch. Number 22 bonding. Number 14 to number 16. 10 on the shot clock. Yes. Quick corner jumper, number 24 is good. Here comes number 10 of Salcedo, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass inside, kicks out to number 6. Got it, and 1. Foul on basket count, foul on number 22. Number 6, yes, completes the three-point play. Number 14, pass to number 16, mid-range. There's the by number 14. Down the back pass, number 22, short corner, too strong. Takes up number 14 of Salcedo. Pass to number 10 to number 6. What a nice look by number 10 to number 6. Number 24, pass to number 22 of Jimenez. Number 22, strong backs inside. Kicks out. Stolen by number 16, pass to number 6 of Salcedo. On one situation, pass to number 10. Pass short corner, that's good. Number 11, rebound. There goes number 14 of Salcedo. Crossover move. Crossover drives, kicks out. Pass to number 11, pass. Too strong. Rebound number 14, Sigwan. Number 14, kicks out. Number 23, using the glass for 2. Number 14, crossover. Kicks out to number 11. Number 24 of Jimenez. Kicks out to number 16. Number 16.
Traveling. Masap na ikoy.
Number 23, pass to number 14. To number 24, to number 16 inside. Foul on number 6. Rebound number 14 of Salcedo, pass to number 11. 20 seconds in the shot clock. To number 16. To number 14, back to number 16. Shot clock down to 10. Number 10, Goodrich. Shot. Number 14, takes out. To number 16, to number 4, extra pass. Number 24, run for 2. Shot clock down to 8 seconds.